Welcome back students to the part 2 lecture of the course Finite Element Methods. In the part 1 we have discussed what are the different types of machineries and where the loads are applying on it, and what are the external loads applied, as well as where it is going to deform and where it is going to fracture. Related to that, we have discussed even the definition of engineering analysis, and as I told that how to determine the engineering analysis based on the location, load, vibration, pressure, temperature, as well as the crack failure. And I told even in the previous class that we are going to define what are the different types of the engineering analysis. If you haven't gone through the part 1 lecture on finite element methods, please go through it so that you could able to understand here, dear students. In today's lecture, we will see what are the methods of engineering analysis. The engineering analysis methods are of three types. Three types lo untai. The first one is all about the experimental methods, dear students. Experimental methods ante enti? Material specimens are tested by using some testing equipment. We have done in mechanics of solids. If you take into consideration mechanical, civil and aeronautical engineering students, they might have worked on mere mechanics of solids lab lo కొన్ని టెస్టింగ్ చేశారు, లైక్ టెన్సైల్ టెస్టింగ్, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ బ్రినిల్ హార్డ్నెస్, రాక్వెల్ హార్డ్నెస్, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఐజాయిడ్ ఆర్ ఇంపాక్ట్ టెస్ట్. సో అక్కడ ఏం చేశారు, ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ సెటప్ చేసి ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేశారు. దేనిపైన? మెటీరియల్ పైన. అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఆ మెటీరియల్ బ్రేక్ అయ్యాక మనకు రీడింగ్ తెలుస్తుంది అక్కడ అనలాగ్ ఆర్ డిజిటల్ మీటర్లో. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ దేర్ ఈస్ ద మెటీరియల్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి వేస్ట్. What for you have done the experimental method on this? To know the strength of the material. But we are not going to work out the experimental method coming to the finite element methods. So this is not applicable for us. What happens if you are going to work out the analysis on the experimental methods on these machines? The material will be wastage, as well as the material specimen which we are going to test will be broken, dear students. That is a waste of money and waste of human power. Later we have the second one is the analytical method. Analytical method lo emantunnaru ikkada? Only simple and regular shape products, isn't it? The simple and regular shape products like beams, columns, shafts can be analyzed, isn't it? That is all about the analytical method. You need to work out this simple and regular term here and analyze with the help of mathematical and science theories. Certain mathematical relations as well as the application of science, physics need to be applied on it, so that you are going to get the exact solutions using analytical method, dear students. కానీ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ అండ్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ షేప్స్ ఉంటాయి, మరి అవి ఇక్కడ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి మనం అనలిటికల్ మెథడ్ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఫాలో అవ్వట్లేదని క్లియర్గా చెప్పవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే ఫైనైట్ ఎలిమెంట్ మెథడ్స్లో న్యూమరికల్ మెథడ్ చేస్తాము. వై? ద కాంప్లికేటెడ్ సైజెస్ అండ్ షేప్స్ విత్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ మెటీరియల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అండ్ దేర్ బౌండరీ కండిషన్స్. Our main aim is to work on what now here? Our main aim is to work on the complicated size and shapes of different material mechanical properties, as well as the boundary conditions. So numerical methods lo manaki em jarugutundi, you will be getting the approximate solutions, the one or two approximate solution, and they are also said to be what? Acceptable solutions. So that's the reason the finite element method is being done using the numerical methods, dear students. And these all are difficult in, like the complicated size and shape and the complicated material properties cannot be done using analytical methods as well as experimental methods, dear students. అందుకే ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్ మెథడ్లో ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఒక టెక్స్టింగ్ స్పెసిమెన్ని మెషిన్ పైన వాడి దాన్ని బ్రేకేజ్ అయ్యాక దాని స్ట్రెంత్ ఎంతో కనుక్కున్నాం. అనలిటికల్ మెథడ్లో ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, ద సింపుల్ అండ్ ద రెగ్యులర్ షేప్ ఓన్లీ, ద సింపుల్ అండ్ విచ్ ఎవర్ వీ నో ద షేప్. But whereas in the numerical method, whichever the unknown shape, the unknown product, whichever we are going to take, which is of varying cross section or different cross sections, so there we are going to work out using the numerical method, which is highly difficult in analytical methods, dear students. So the finite element methods, we are going to work out what? We are going to work out the numerical methods. This is all about today's lecture. I hope you understood this. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel as well as share this content with your friends. Good luck.